Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use Microsoft OneDrive folder as a cloud perspective. This is a very important and amazing features are providing you researcher, industrial people can use this one and save your documents, data in cloud side, and you can access anywhere. This OneDrive folder applications available smartphones also as well as computer systems. So how to use it and how exactly features are OneDrive providing, let's check it out. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply I open here Google and just type here OneDrive and click here. This OneDrive folder providing Microsoft. You can sign in here. I have already account using my Gmail account. You can create this account using your Gmail account also. So you have no account, so let's sign up for free. I have already account, so I just enter here my email address and then password and sign in. This is my OneDrive Google folder available on online cloud storage. They are providing me initially 5 GB, but I just go Prime membership, so they are providing me 1 TB storage on cloud side. That one is amazing features. So first features comes here, how to upload your file. So simply click here the upload option. Two options are come here, uploading the perspective. One is a folder and second one is a file. So first of all I upload one file here. Just I upload here this natural language processing PDF paper. Wait couple of seconds. So this PDF paper are uploaded here. I can access this one using this URL. Otherwise I'm installing this application on my smartphone or laptop screen or any other place, and then using my username password I can access those data. So now I upload one folder here. Just I simply upload here data folder. 7 files is this. So data folder is uploaded. I click here. Inside files or inside data is also available here. It's amazing. It's very simple to upload file. So now second options come. You just simply click here and like share options are come here. You just using this option you can share this particular link using your other email address. So simply I type here my email address researchrock09 and send this one, and he or she receive this particular folder related data and they can access and edit, modify whatever informations are available. You can use this option share and copy this link, and using this link you can share this link WhatsApp, Gmail, Hangout or other social networking. You can use this features also. Second option, how to delete one. This you select first of all and delete options are available here. It's simple to delete. Next options, so many features are move to specific folder, copy this one, rename, embedded, version history related informations are available here. Second, you can access those information using download software also. So how to do it? Let's simply just I sign in here. This page download options are come like OneDrive for Mac. I simply download this application. This application is very small, like 77 MB only. After finish the download, I just simply install this application. Simply install in this my computer and I add my password here. And same application available on your smartphone. You can open your app store or play store and install OneDrive application and access very easily. So this OneDrive folder is open here in cloud side. So it's need to sign in here first of all. Automatically sign in here because of I using my email address. And this folder not premium. Next. Later OneDrive folder is open. So now look at this. This is a OneDrive folder. This folder is automatically synchronize your all data you are already uploaded and online or server side using this folder. This folder comes here in your root directory, like my computer name is a sync. So OneDrive folder is display here. I just simply copy one file here in this OneDrive folder, copy this image and I pasted here. So this image automatically comes here. I just simply refresh here. So I upload this file using this folder and this file comes here in server side, and now I can access anywhere in this particular file or data. So you can use these features and enjoy as a free of cost. It's amazing. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.